the train. So she has to write so many things and see so many things they have to note down in the diary, right? And what is the experience of the travel journey? That's we have to see in our lesson. Okay? Now Ria and her friend Jia were very excited. Both are very excited. They were going for a train trip to Vapi. They going to Vapi. Ria was going to her uncle's house and Jia was going to Daman. Ria going to the uncle's house and Jia was going to the Daman with her family for a holiday. Now it is the holiday, so both are planning to go to the Vapi, right? As both the families decided to go together, Ria's family had booked a train ticket for both the families before 15 days. Both are the planet, that's why the Ria's family has booked the ticket, okay, before the 15 days. Just 2 days before their journey, Jia fell ill. Before 2 days, Jia fell very ill. Doctor told her to take rest and doctor suggested to take rest, you don't travel. Okay, Jia's family had to cancel their ticket and Jia's family cancelled the ticket. Okay, both friends were very sad and both Ria and Jia both feel very sad. They had made many plans for the trip because they talking and they made many plans for the trips. Due to Jia's cancellation, Ria felt very sad and Jia has cancelled the ticket, so Ria felt very sad. Jia said, I have an idea. She told Ria. Jia has got idea and she told to the Ria, don't be upset. Don't be upset, dear friends. You write everything about your trip in a diary. You make diary and you write everything in the diary and take the pictures and video shoot of their journey. Okay? Now, after they returning back to the home, it will find out the diary and will see the photo and video. Then after when you are coming to the journey, I see all the things and read the diary. Who said? Jia said. Okay. Ria went to her home and she found one notebook and pen and put it in the bag. Now Ria take the one notebook and pen and put it in the luggage, which luggage she has to carry, right? Okay, now Ria start to write the diary. Today is a full moon day. Now look at here, this is the time also given. Okay, now this is the railway station platform picture. Today is a full moon day, that means the Purnima day. After taking our dinner, we took an auto to reach Gandhidham railway station. After taking the dinner, they reached to the Gandhidham railway station. After sometimes the train arrived at the station. After sometimes for the waiting, train arrived on the station. We saw some passengers were sitting in the train. Some passengers are also sitting in the train. Train had departed 7:50 p.m. That means the evening 7:50 p.m. train has departed. Okay, departed means the वहाँ से छूटी. Okay, from the Bhuj. कहाँ से? Bhuj से छूटी. Main station of the Kutch. Who is the Bhuj? Bhuj is the capital of the Kutch, right? Main city of the Kutch. The name of our train was the Kutch Express. When the Ria take the journey, it is the name of the train is the Kutch Express. Okay. When we were near the Kutch, the so much commotion from the single door. One single door has so many rushes are there near the door when the train came. Okay. People were getting off and others were pushing and trying to their luggage. Somewhere is the getting off from the train and somewhere is the putting their luggage into the train. Right? Father felt so much. Someone has pushing and Ria's father has someone pushing to the Ria's father. Right? So Ria's father said it is the time to depart the train because it is 15 to 20 minutes train has stay here. Okay, so don't be a hurry, don't push each other. Okay, we somehow managed to found our seat and keep our luggage in the proper place. And the Ria's family got on the train and she found the seat and everything, put the luggage and everything in the proper place. Now Ria and her mother take the window seat and the father and brother take the middle seat, right? Father and Himax is the Riya's brother. There were another family with us and another family also sitting in that compartment. They seem to be bored the train from the previous station. They are feeling very bored from the previous station. पहले स्टेशन से वो थोड़े बोर हो गए थे. They had 2 children. The family has the 2 children of our age. That means the Himax and the Riya's age like that 2 children. Okay. They got 2 upper seats and 2 lower seats, and both that family has the 2 seats of the upper and 2 seats of the lower. Okay. Now, after everything is arranged, then after the time passed, sometimes the ticket collector came and checked the ticket to see if we are in the proper place or not. Then after ticket checker come and they check to the ticket which all the passengers sit on the proper place or not, right? Okay. Now after 1 hour the train stopped at the one station. After the starting of the train, they stop at the one station after the 1 hour. I show it from the window and the Riya saw from the window. Samkhiyadi junction was written on the station. It is the Samkhiyadi, sometimes it is the Samkhiyadi, right? Both. I asked my father, here what written on the station? It is the Samkhiyadi junction. And he asked to the parents, father, why is the junction? What is the meaning of the junction? Was the written on the station? Okay. Father explained me that the station at which 2 or more railway tracks are separating is called the junction. Junction क्या होता है? Students जहाँ पे 2 और 3, 4 tracks join होती है, right? और वो separate होती है. वहाँ एक साथ में track होती है और वो सेपरेट होती है. कोई ट्रेन किसी और जगह पे जाती है, कोई ट्रेन किसी और जगह पे जाती है. इट इज कॉल्ड द जंक्शन. यू अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन? ओके. फ्रॉम दिस स्टेशन 2 रेलवे ट्रैक्स आर सेपरेटिंग एंड फ्रॉम द जंक्शन इट इज द 2 रेलवे ट्रैक्स आर द सेपरेटिंग. दोनों डिफरेंट सेपरेशन होता है. आने का और जाने का दोनों ट्रैक डिफरेंट होता है. ओके. Now it is called the junction. On the track on which our train is running is the way to Ahmedabad. जहाँ पे उनकी ट्रेन चल रही थी रिया की, वो ट्रैक अहमदाबाद का था. And other goes to the पालनपुर. अदर कौन सा था? पालनपुर. स्टूडेंट जंक्शन किसको बोलते हैं? देखो यहाँ ऐसे रेलवे के ट्रैक है, राइट? तो ऐसे 2 ट्रैक्स होते हैं और मोर देन 2 होते हैं. तो इस तरफ से ऐसे ट्रेन जाती है और इस तरफ से ऐसे ट्रेन जाती है. दोनों ट्रैक डिफरेंट होता है. कहीं से ट्रेन आ रही है, कहीं से ट्रेन जा रही है. इट इज कॉल्ड द जंक्शन, राइट? एंड इट इज द सेपरेटिंग द ट्रैक्स. ओके. ट्रेन डिपार्टेड आफ्टर 2-3 minutes and after 2-3 minutes wait and then after again the train departed. The 2 tracks separated from one another and the 2 tracks separated from another. Father showed it me from the windows and father showed to the Riya how the 2 tracks are the separated, right? Our train left that station. I observing the view outside the window and the station is already departed and the Riya shows the outside window observing all the things. It was looking like the white bedsheet spread across open plain up to far away in full moon night. And what the Riya see? Riya see the white color bedsheet is covered and it is the full moon night. It is the full moon light. All the areas is covered with the white sheet bed. That means the salt. Okay. Father said that it is the small desert of the Kutch. And what it is? It is the small desert of the Kutch. Kutch का small desert था. And it looking like white bed sheet because of the white layer of the salt. And why it is look like a white bed sheet? It is covered with the salt. Okay. So that's why it look like a white bed sheet. In this area, Agarias are harvesting salt by making salt pan. Now salton. What is the agaria? Agaria no children. The person who make the salt. जो salt बनाते हैं. आपको पता है salt कैसे बनता सी होता है, राइट। वो सी में उसके आसपास ऐसी रेक्टेंगल पीट बनाई जाती है, खड्डा खोद के। जब पूर्णिमा के दिन बहुत बड़ी वेव्स आती है तो यहाँ पानी भर जाता है और वो पानी सन की रे में सूख जाता है और वहाँ व्हाइट व्हाइट लेयर बन जाता है और वो व्हाइट लेयर फिर जो अगरिया है उसको स्प्रे लेके निकालता है और उसको सॉल्ट मिल, ग्राइंड मिल में बेचते हैं और उसमें से सॉल्ट प्रिपेयर होता है। ओके, इट इज द अगरिया। ओके, देयर वेयर can also see many heaps of the salt and it is the very many heap of the salt, that means वो निकाल के वहाँ ढेर करते हैं तो it is called the heap, right? Okay, the train was moving fast and train moving fast, some things like a bridge was seen in the faint light of the moon and when the light of the moon is the focused and some bridge visible, there was a light of the vehicle seen on it and the vehicles of the light also seen. While we were crossing the bridge, I asked my father, and where the bridge is crossing, Riya asked to the father, which is the bridge? वो कौन सा ब्रिज है? This is the Surajbari bridge. Which bridge is? Surajbari. He replied, it is known as the entrance of the Kutch, right? Surajbari is the entrance of the Kutch, is the bridge name. कच्छ के अंदर एंटर होते हैं तो सबसे पहले सूरजबारी एंट्रेंस आता है, राइट, और ऐसा ब्रिज आता है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस लेसन इज सो बिग सो आई एक्सप्लेन यू इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑल्सो। ओके, हम 2 डिवीजन में करेंगे बिकॉज वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, है ना। ओके, नाउ वी सी द चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड फ्रॉम द वर्कबुक एंड पेज नंबर 40। ओके, विच टिकट हैड रियाज फादर बुक? The railway ticket, right? So we can write the railway. Okay, what is the name of the main junction of the Kutch district? It is the Bhuj. It is the main junction. Okay, what were the name of the train in the which Riya was going to travel? It is the name of the train. It is the Kutch Express, right? Kutch Express. Okay, who is there in a train to check passengers ticket? It is the ticket checker. Ticket checker. Okay, who is the person who makes salt known as? It is the salt maker, or you can say the agaria, right? Salt maker. Which bridge is known as the entrance of the Kutch? Entrance of the Kutch is the Surajbari bridge. Surajbari bridge. Which game did Riya, Himas and the Fiona played after the train started off from the Ahmedabad? It is the snakes and ladders. Okay, we will discuss next video. Snakes and ladders. Okay, now we see the fill in the blanks. Riya's journey started from blank station. Riya's journey started from the Gandhinagar station. Sorry, Gandhi Dham it is. It is the Gandhi Dham. Okay. Now the game of the snakes and ladders is played with the snakes and ladder कैसे खेलोगे? With the dice, dice से खेलोगे। Okay, Riya's train had come from the blank city of the Gandhinagar. It is the Bhuj. कहाँ से आई थी? Bhuj. Riya's family would travel by train and go to where she want to go. It is the Vapi. कहाँ से ट्रेन आई थी? कच्छ से और वापी से वो लोग गांधीधाम से बैठे थे। ओके, ब्लैंक जंक्शन केम आफ्टर गांधीधाम रेलवे स्टेशन. इट इज द समखियाड़ी, राइट, समखियाड़ी, और यू कैन राइट द समखियाड़ी. ओके, सॉल्ट मेकर फ्रॉम ब्लैंक्स टू मेक द सॉल्ट इज मेड द अगर. अगर टू मेक द सॉल्ट, अगर बनाते हैं, राइट, इसलिए उनका नाम अगरिया है. The Surajbari bridge is known as the Surajbari is the entrance of the Kutch. Entrance of the Kutch. Okay. 8 number. Ria borrowed a story book from. Where's the Ria borrowed story book from the Fiona. It is the girl Fiona. Okay. We will discuss in the next part. Okay, students. I hope you can understand. Bye bye.